Cracking your knuckles isn't bone snapping. It's a sudden drop in pressure as the finger is pulled. As the finger pulls, pressure inside the joint drops almost instantly. That drop creates space, pulling dissolved gas out of the joint fluid. Those gas particles rush together, forming a growing cavity between the bones. For a brief moment, the cavity reaches its maximum size, then collapses, sending a pressure wave through the joint. As the energy fades, the joint begins settling back into place. Until the gas dissolves again, that same knuckle can't crack twice.